It was time to rebuild the monobloc carburetor, but after doing a few repairs and a bit of cleaning, I had to send off for some parts, so I sent off to both Berlin and Surrey Cycles. I love the receipt from Surrey Cycles, being handwritten. The first task was to insert a new needle jet and a new main jet into the jet carrier. The jet block goes in next. It is located with a wee peg, or as a wee screw. Once it's in place, the jet holder can then anchor everything together. It fitted the tickler along with its spring. Then the needle seat. The throttle stop screw. The pilot mixture adjusting screw. This is the pilot jet and cover being fitted. Then it's the float bowl. This is fitting the float. Don't forget that spacer at the end. A new Viton tipped needle was fitted, and then the cover was put on. The gauze filter and banjo. We're nearly there. It was on to the top of the carburetor, fitting the slide and spring and then the cap. That click spring screw was a real pain to locate. And what did I do? Forget to fit the needle. So I fitted the needle and put it on number 3 position.